Can't feel my shoes or take my seat. No machine can copy me, though impossible, unstoppable. Cannot catch a case, too smart for you hoes. Running mouths too fast, chasing cash, do the mad. Drinking, sipping, smoking gas, outclass, so we don't match. Light it up just like a lamp. Ride high time behind my back, all jab. I beat you up just like the champ. Never leave it up to chance. Make it move, that's how I dance. Cross the line cause I'm the man. Take it all cause that's the plan.
I don't do takeaways, I'm gon' see better days. I take the hits too strong, promise shit gon' change. I don't do takeaways, I'm gon' see better days. I take the hits too strong, promise shit gon' change.
Blowing in the wind on the 105, 110 on the dash. Right hand on my cash, left under her ass. Yeah, you know it's fat, slim thick. Guess I take my pick, that's my preference. Hoes doing the most, just for reassurance. Chubby motherfucker with the gang of bad bitches. I done ran through them all, off my wish list. Ocean's big enough, there's plenty of fish, kid. Hit her with the turnaround and my best dish. Round 2 and 20. Let me get my rest first, then I hit her where it hurts. On me, I put in work, away, never dirt, only smoking that gas.